Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So in the start of video, I tell you, my friends, to if you say to Bittorrent is moving up in upcoming days, then just like this video. But if you cannot say, but if you say to Bittorrent as no pells down in upcoming days, then absolutely you comment me to why Bittorrent is going down, falls down. I also share in this video my prediction to Bittorrent and it's going up and are down. So this is very important for everyone. I research personally very high. I research in a Google, I research in a Twitter, absolutely everywhere. I research for my friends, for my family who are subscribed ABS Tech channel. If you are new on our channel, then please click out the subscribe first of all, because I research for you and free of cost. Absolutely, I research for you and I update you every good news or bad news about Bittorrent. You can see here this time the last 1 hour chart. First of all, my friends, they gone up exactly, but this time you can see here they take a very bad dump. They falls down 0.36%. They gone down, they falls down, my friend. I use one track and a crypto market. Absolutely, this is very useful track, my friend. I use it. I search personally very highly and Twitter especially. Therefore, I found decision to they going up in upcoming days or they going down. And I also see and I search on the chart. You can see here this time they fails down, but they take a very high jump again. So if you can see here the chart result, this is the last 1 hour. I hope in upcoming days they going up. I decide to hold it because this they go up exactly. You can see here after very bad fails they also take a very high jump. Therefore, if you can see here this take, if you can see here they fails down and they take a very high jump. I hope they're going up like a rocket. They are going in the moon, my friend. So if you are ready for the moon, then please tell me, please like this video. If you also say today going up, then I found to absolutely everyone can say that today going up in upcoming days. Everyone understand if the like is increased, then absolutely you understand to Bittorrent as moving up. So hope you friends enjoy this video. I think they're going up. Please hold it and wait for some more days, and they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. What you say, Bittorrent holder? They're going up or they're going down? Please like and comment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.